Good morning guys, this is Ronnie once again and welcome back to my channel. Yes guys, we're out early today. I'm currently inside the Bristol bus station because we're going to London guys for the first time. So I woke up around 5 and right now it's already 8. I travel all the way from Bath going here sa Bristol bus station. Actually yung travel time is just 39 minutes or 40, something like that. It's just that medyo time kasi yung mga bus from Bath going here sa Bristol. Kaya kailangan gumising ng maaga. Well, I'm just waiting for the bus going to London. Actually, just my trip. Because that is already the bus going to London. However, that trip is for the 8 a.m. trip. The ticket I just bought on their application Flixbus. Ayun yung application where I bought the ticket. You also have option to purchase the ticket sa National Express website if you want to. But sa Flixbus ako kasi mas madali doon and ayun na yung gamay ko. So I'm just waiting for 9:30 to board on the bus or inside the bus going to London. So join me guys as we explore London this time. And just like that, after 3 hours of travel guys via bus, we're able to reach London na. Actually, it's already lunchtime and I think the first order of business na gagawin natin is to look for a place where I can eat for lunch kasi I'm already starving guys. By the way, yung end station ng bus na sinakyan ko is London Victoria Coach Station. It's actually located in Buckingham Palace Road. So I've already did my research and this bus station is just 17 minutes walk going to Buckingham Palace. So I think after eating lunch, we're gonna visit Buckingham Palace na before checking in. Keys. So this is the neighborhood looks like near the station. Guys, we're already in London talaga. These are alleys. Let me go and look for a place where I can eat lunch. I'm already starving guys, but happy. Let's go. So we're currently inside Victoria train station, guys. Dito ako nakahanap ng kainan and I found this wasabi sushi bento and it's affordable. Like 8 pounds lang yung mga meal nila. So as I was saying, 8 pounds lang yung meal nila and it's already rice and chicken. Alam mo naman, we need rice for the whole day. So, here's what I got. I got Korean barbecue chicken. Take a look at it. I hope masarap siya. Gutom na talaga ako. And I got Pepsi. Sugar for the day, of course. This station is very busy. I don't know kung main station ba to or so, pero ang daming tao. I'll just enjoy my lunch first, then later we'll go to the Buckingham Palace before tayo mag-check-in. Kasi yung check-in time natin sa hotel na nabook ko is 3 p.m. pa, I think. And I'm not sure how to go there. But it's a nice hotel. The reviews are nice. because it's just like 11 minutes walk going to the London Bridge, the Big Ben, the Eye of London. Yeah, I think it's just 11 minutes walk going to those destinations, so it's a good place. Later, I'll show you kung totoo ba yung sinasabi dun sa mga reviews na nabasa natin. I'll just enjoy my lunch. Masarap. So we're done with lunch. I ate inside the London Victoria Station, and now we're just walking going to the Buckingham Palace. Sorry if I'm running because tumatawid ako, guys. So hinanap ko lang yung way sa Google Maps, of course, our friend. So according here, it's just 0.5 miles from the London Victoria Station. So let's just walk. I'm not sure if it's famous, but look at this. Not the bass, of course. This one. I'm not sure if famous yan, but it says Foch 1851 to 1929. If I'm not mistaken, I'm seeing that statue sa mga TikToks na nakikita ko. So, let's, oh my god. What's this? Nagugulat. Is that a mall? Well, to tell you honestly, guys, in my 2 weeks here of staying or living pa lang, I haven't been to any mall. Kasi dun sa Bath, I'm not sure kung may mall dun or wala. Sa Bristol, hindi rin ako nakapasok. Laging dun lang ako sa touristy place. So, I'm not sure if that colored red building na pinakita ko just earlier is a mall or not. So, maybe soon, we can take a peek inside and I'll document it for you to see it also. Okay, I'm just walking, going to the Buckingham Palace, guys. I'll shoot a video once I arrive, okay? After 11 minutes of walking, guys, we're able to reach Buckingham Palace na. But I'm not so sure. I think bawal pumasok ngayon or walang changing of guards or kung dito yun nangyari. I did not do any research about this. But this is Buckingham Palace. Ayun siya. Ito yung tapat niya. The place where I'm currently at right now is the front of Buckingham Palace. And may ganun siya. I'm not sure anong tawag dyan, but it looks beautiful. Ang daming tao ngayon. And ayan siya, guys. We're here. Just so you know, the sun is up. However, the current weather today is 6 degrees Celsius. So medyo malamig kahit maaraw. So good luck na lang. Sana hindi tayo manghitim. Hindi tayo magpapakampante. I wear my sunscreen dahil maitim na ako. Baka lalo pa akong masunog. Pero ang ganda dito. My God. Yan. Super beautiful. Ayun, guys, alam ko na kung ano yung tawag dun sa statue in front of the Buckingham Palace. Apparently, this is the Victoria Memorial, Queen Victoria Memorial, and it stands or makikita to sa mismong tapat ng Buckingham Palace. Ayan. Yung nasa taas, it is gold. Ayan, it's Victoria Regina Imperatrice. Na-search ko lang naman sa Google na ito yung Queen Victoria Memorial something. Again. Oh my God. So this is the view in front of this memorial statue, guys. So that is Buckingham Palace. And this is the ground of the palace. Ayan siya. It stretches until there. Ganon siya kalaki. Grabe. So right now guys, I'm just walking on the grounds of the Buckingham Palace kasi masyadong maraming tao dun sa mismong tapat at sa gate. From afar, ito yung itsura niya. That is the Buckingham Palace, guys. There's a lot of tourists ngayon. Maybe it's because it's Sunday. And from this area, I'd like to show you guys kasi tapat, kita na dito yung Big Ben, yung clock ng Big Ben at saka yung London Eye. Ayan, magkasama sila or magkatabi sila rather. Let me just zoom in. Ayan siya. This is London Eye. This is the clock of Big Ben and this is London Eye. Later guys, we're gonna go there. Also guys, on the grounds of the Buckingham Palace, meron din siyang park and may lake dun sa park na yun. So this is the park and the lake just in front of the Buckingham Palace ground. Ang dami rin tao. May mga swans and then may mga seagulls. Actually, sa napapansin ko dito sa England, ang daming seagulls. I don't know why. So parang napagtanto ko, kapag may body of water, may it be lake, ganyan, may mga seagulls. Maraming seagulls all around. Ayan, ang ganda ng park. And the Buckingham Palace. Oh, may facts dito. This is some facts. Have you seen that, guys? Ang ganda nung park sa tapat ng Buckingham Palace. And actually, pwedeng mag-picnic doon kung may mat lang ako at kung may kasama ako. Baka inaya ko nang mag-picnic dyan. See? The peoples are lying on the grass and may mga flowers. I'm not sure kung yung flowers na yun damo lang dito. Pero looking at it, hindi naman siya tinanim ng like maayos, ganyan. Oh my god, it's relaxing here. I hope I have a lot of time here. Ganda. Wala lang akong mat. So we're done here sa Buckingham Palace and we'll now go to my hotel. The hotel that I booked, it's actually walking distance going to London Bridge. It is called St. Christopher's Village. It's just a hostel, guys. So I'm just renting a bed for tonight because I'm just staying here for 2 days and 1 night. Then I'll be back to Bath because coming Tuesday we have to work na naman. Later I'll show you what the hotel looks like. So let's go.
Grandma, look, we've lost mommy and
So guys, I just found out na itong park pala na sinasabi ko na tapat ng Buckingham Palace is the St. James Lake Park or Park Lake. And ang ganda niya, ang daming flowers and ang daming nagpipiknik. And from here guys, again, this is still St. James. Ang lapit na pala natin sa Big Ben. So while walking, going to my hostel, I can now see Big Ben here. There, that's Big Ben na siya. So, let's just walk. And before tayo mag-check-in, we'll visit Big Ben na rin. Okay? So, right now guys, we are approaching the Big Ben, and across the street we'll see the Parliament Square. So, this is the Parliament Square, and nandun yung Big Ben. Hindi lang kita dito pero I'll show you. Okay. Once again, that's Parliament Square. And ayun yung Big Ben nakasilip. I'll show you in full. Oh my god guys, it's no joke, it's Big Ben. There! Ayun yung Big Ben. It's beautiful and ang daming tao. Look at that. My god. I'm not sure what architecture it is inspired, but it's very beautiful. Wait, I'll just have to cross. Ay, palapas naman. Ganda niya, grabe. See? Guys, it's not a joke. Looking at it guys, it's like being transported to a different place, like a magical place, parang palasyo, ganyan. See? There's a church beside it, but I'm not so sure what that is. But guys, Big Ben, I'm here. We are just walking guys sa may Big Ben, and it feels like I'm in Tokyo. It's Big Ben. And may nagpe-perform dito guys. So we were able to check in guys. This is the hotel where I currently checked in, St. Christopher's Village. So far, the room are clean and also the toilets and bathroom. And the reception is available 24 hours, so you don't have to worry if you're coming in or checking in late coming from the Heathrow Airport. So it's still 4 p.m. and this accommodation, St. Christopher's Village, is just 11 minutes away from the London Bridge. So that's the agenda for today. Let's now go to the London Bridge. If you were wondering guys what the neighborhood looks like, actually it's alive. Since napakalapit niya nga sa London Bridge, lahat ng kailangan mo, groceries, Tesco, ano pa ba? Mga shopping store, ganyan, nandito at marami ring tao kasi nga ang lapit niya sa London Bridge. Plus this one, I haven't seen this or hindi ko alam kung ano tong place na to, if it's an office place or ano ba yan. It's the first time na nakita ko siya. I think we're now here sa London Bridge. Ito yung corner. This is London Bridge na guys. So, I just wanted to know saan pinakamagandang kumuha ng photo. Bumaba lang ako guys sa isang hagdanan kasi dun sa taas parang hindi yun yung London Bridge na ine-expect ko. So I go down para mapunta tayo dun doon sa other side, kasi sa other side parang kita yung, ewan ko kung ito na yung London Bridge sabi sa Google Maps, pero yung nakikita natin na parang London Bridge na suspension nakikita siya from afar. So, I'm not sure. Ano ba talaga yung London Bridge doon sa dalawa? But, I think we're already on the other side. What's that? Gosh, look at this. May kalansay dito, guys. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Look at this one. Para totoong kalansay na hinang dyan. Like, preserving the old culture. Kaya may ganun doon. Wait, nawawala na ako. Saan tayo akit ngayon? Ayun doon. Kasi parang later, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin na from afar yung parang totoong London Bridge talaga. So right now guys, nandito na tayo sa London Bridge. Ayun ang sabi. Pero, I'm not sure kung ito talaga yun. Kasi parang iba. Look at this bridge we're currently at. And then, from afar, like from this London Bridge na sinasabi ni Google Maps, nakikita natin, ayun. That is the one we always see sa mga videos, right? That London Bridge. I think ayan yung parang suspension. We'll go there. I think we have to go there para mas makita natin. Kasi may walking path doon. That's the walking path going there. So, let's go there. I think mas maganda doon. Guys, there is an interesting thing na nakita ko. Yung Uber, hindi lang pala siya sa kalsada. There is Uber boat also here in London. Uber boat. I think riding the Uber boat will give you a better view sa London Bridge. That's the London Bridge! Oh my god! Very pretty. And then may ship. May ship dito. I'm not sure anong tawag dyan sa ship na yan. But, guys, it's London Bridge. Let me zoom. But don't worry. We'll go near there. Guys, this is not a dream. Hindi tayo natutulog. I am now near London Bridge and I can see it in my very own eyes. That's London. Oh my god, magnificent. See that in its golden hours. Who would have thought? Guys, you know what? I am not the type of person na emotional. But shit, I'm really in London. It's really beautiful. Calm kahit ang daming tao. Oh my god, we'll walk there. Let's walk dun mismo sa bridge. Guys, all this time, mali pala yung sinasabi ko. Yung nilalakaran ko kanina, ayun yung literal na London Bridge. This one, yung pinuntahan natin, this is the Tower Bridge naman. Right now, I'm currently walking mismo dito sa Tower Bridge. Yung nasa baba nakikita natin kanina, and it's ang daming tao, and ang ganda. Ayun siya guys, sa likod. And ito yung harap. my God. Good thing it's currently golden hour. Kaya mas nakadagdag yung color ng sky. Mas maganda siya.